Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. This is one of them. I got two unboxings.
Amazon, as usual.
It's from Amazon Prime. Thank you, Amazon. Oh, so this is Blu-ray. So this is what's that? It's Tom Cruise. Jack Reacher, Never Go Back.
Remember, we watched that on television very recently.
Oh, see, okay, I know, I remember this. Reacher.
And he had a daughter.
Oh, yeah, I
Or,
remember.
I don't know if it was his real daughter. Need to watch the film to
Yeah.
find out.
Yeah, it's very nice, guys. This
Action film.
one we already watched it. We watched this on TV. Yeah, but not this one because actually this is just the unboxing for today. So we watched this on TV and I really like it, and I cannot sit properly on my I keep on standing up because it's you know that thing when you're watching like
Well, action and
yeah,
excitement.
it's like my heart is like this, and I can't really sit properly. But it's very exciting, very enjoyable to watch. I like this, guys. Have you seen it, guys? It's nice, is it? Those who watched this already, then you know how good it is it, guys? It's amazing.
The pictures on the back.
Never Go Back, is it? Is Jack Reacher Never Go Back? And so this is 4 stars. And this is 12 certificate. So Blu-ray plus the digital download. What is digital download? They can download the film
Yeah,
in
and
computer.
watch it on their mobiles or tablets, laptops, whatever.
Oh, so if they download it, then it just stays in their laptop or thing.
I'm not sure. I've never done that. No intention of watching a film on a laptop or a tablet or a mobile. I don't even have a smart mobile, so
If it's not
I
nice
want
watching
to.
on mobile.
I want to watch a film on a proper TV screen.
Yeah,
The bigger,
because
the better.
yeah, that's right. Because in a mobile, it's a very small screen, and you cannot see it properly.
It's around stereo.
Also, the sound is different as well
Yeah,
in mobile.
yeah. You just get a tinny, very tinny sound.
Teeny whiny, teeny weeny whiny.
So that way I can enjoy watching a film on a mobile or even a tablet. It's too small.
Yeah, that's right. So this is this one is very nice, guys. So and it's a 12 certificate, and it's a moderate violence because there is he got a daughter, so it's like the action is not that too violent.
Possible daughter.
Yeah, possible daughter. So and less than 20 years old, so cannot be a violent thing.
It can.
Yeah, there is a violent,
There
but
is
it's a
violence in there.
mild. It's mild, but not too scary because it says moderate violence in here. So that's what I'm saying.
Lots of action.
Yeah, and lots of action that makes your adrenaline high when you watch this. So you have to, when you watch this, guys, you have to have water next to you. So when your blood pressure go up, you have to drink water. Oh, so this is so nice. I'm telling you guys, it's so lovely. So
Those who like action films
yeah.
should enjoy it.
So this is like unboxing and a review as well because we already
Already watched
telling
that
you
one.
what's happening, but we don't tell you exactly what is
You need
what
to
happened.
watch it yourselves.
Yeah, so you have to watch it yourself, so you have a thrill watching it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, guys. So this is the first unboxing.
There's another
Tom
one.
Cruise is Jack Reacher, Never Go Back. So and that is 4 stars. See how, guys? So see how lovely it is. Got 4 stars.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one to unbox is this. Another one. I guess you can guess it. What is this? It's from Amazon Prime again. Oh my gosh! Another Jack the Reacher. Another Tom Cruise Jack Reacher.
That's the first one, which we haven't seen yet.
Oh, so we haven't seen it. The first one.
Yeah.
Oh,
The one we watched
I want
was
to
the
watch
second one.
this. I want to watch this later.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, so this is one and that is 2. So this is only 2.
Yeah, they only made 2.
They only made 2 of this.
Yeah.
Oh. So so that's nice. And 1, 2, 3. So this has got 5 stars. So this is more nicer than that.
Possibly. Depends on
Because look at
the
that.
critic.
Look how the stars here are only 4.
Yeah.
And this one is 5 stars. So this must be a very good one.
Possibly.
Yeah, let's see.
Depends
Let's
on the
see.
critic's taste.
Yeah, we watch it later. So, and then we will do a review. So you will see it, guys. Yeah. So this is at the back. So this is 15 certificate and that is 12 certificate.
More violence.
So this
I
is
presume.
more violent. So it says here contains strong violence. Yeah, but not too violent that YouTube doesn't like. I hope I hope it's okay. Sorry, YouTube. I hope this is okay.
Yeah, of course.
So there's a special features here. You don't mess with Jack Reacher. Combat and weapons. When the man comes around. Commentary by Tom Cruise and director Christopher McQuarrie. So that is the director, Christopher McQuarrie. Oh. So this is region free. What does it mean, region free?
They can watch it anywhere in the world. It will play.
It will play.
Yeah, in any Blu-ray player.
Oh, okay.
Not region locked, like A, B, or C.
So what region is UK?
B.
B.
Yeah.
And US?
A.
So US and Philippines is the same.
No, Philippines is C.
Oh, I don't know that.
Asia is C.
So that's C. What?
Europe is B.
So is A and B will play on C?
No, unless if you have a multi-region player.
Oh right, that's why you give me the multiplayer.
Yeah,
Multi-region player.
multi-region player.
Oh right.
Which we also got on Amazon.
Oh, now I get
If
it.
you buy a Blu-ray player in the UK shops, it will be only for region
For
B.
UK only.
Yeah.
Oh, if you buy only in America, it will only play in America.
Depends where you buy it from, I suppose.
Oh, okay.
Because before there used to be certain shops here that used to sell the multi-region ones as well. But they all seem to have disappeared.
So you have to be careful in buying the then if people lives in Asia, they have to be careful.
If you intend on importing films from other countries like we do, then you have to get a multi-region Blu-ray player.
So that won't be a problem. It can play A, B,
They
C.
do cost more, unfortunately.
Oh.
They cost around 100 to 150 pounds more
Oh, not bad.
for the same model, which is like region locked. But you need it to play the imported Blu-rays.
So that's very good then. It must be good to get that what is
multi-region
multi-region
Blu-ray player.
Yeah, yeah. I got that as well. Anyway, you give me the one in the Philippines. Yeah. So, and that's why it can play this in there. All right. Okay. So I can't wait to watch this. So, alright, okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. These two Jack Reacher.
Jack Reacher and Jack Reacher never go back.
Jack Reacher and
Jack Reacher.
Jack Reacher never go back.
Yes.
Thank you so much guys. See you on my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love.